Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin'. Chris here, and today we are going to make some jalapeno poppers. However, I'm going to do them in the oven, not on the grill, and then I've got my own little secret that I do at the end, so stick around. They are awesome. Here are the main ingredients for the poppers. You can see we've got 2 packages of jalapeno peppers. 4 of them we grew from our own garden. Yeah, we only got 4, right? It didn't turn out so well this year. We got some bacon, some cheese, and some cream cheese. And next step, we will cut open the jalapeno peppers. We've got the peppers sliced and scooped out. It's kind of a pain in the butt process, but I find the best way to do it is to get a spoon in there and just try and scrape the peppers out as much as you can while you're holding them with your other hand, and that gets them fairly clean. Next, we are going to get our filling together, and the filling will consist of just some cream cheese and some shredded marble. So we're using a full brick of cream cheese, and then I've got an entire brick of shredded marble cheese. We're going to dump that in. Then I'll mix that all up, and then we'll start scooping it into the peppers. Now you can see the jalapeno poppers ready for the oven. I find that the oven is probably the best way to do them, especially if you're making a pretty big batch of them like I am. And let's just take a look down at them here. So they are all wrapped in bacon. Now we only took out 1 package of bacon. What we had to do was cut each slice into 3 so that we would have enough bacon to go around for all of the peppers. And what I do, which I think is a little bit different from the other peppers that I've seen, is sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar and cayenne pepper on top. And I think that just adds a little bit more flavor punch when they are all done. Hey, next we're going to slide them into the oven for about 15 minutes at 375, and they should be all done. It's been about 15 minutes now. Let's pull open the oven and take a look. Oh, those look awesome. Yeah, those look perfect. Okay, we're gonna let them sit for a little bit, and then we will give them a try. Okay, they have sat for a little bit, so let's grab one and give it a try. This one here looks good. That tastes fantastic. The brown sugar on top puts a layer of sweetness on there. The bacon, the jalapeno, the cream cheese, the marble cheese, and the cayenne pepper on top gives you a little kick at the end. These are absolutely fantastic. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up down below. Share it with your friends. Leave me a comment as well, and if you have not yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, then hit the bell next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.